This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP. I'm here to assess the level of speaking. Examiner is Arvinder Singh and candidate name Arshpreet Singh with candidate number 110850. Okay, Arshpreet, first of all, please tell me something about yourself.
I am Ashpi Singh from village Chilheri nearby Raipur. I am done my plus 2 from CBSE board in Jasper School, and my father is farmer, and now I am doing a further study.
Okay, tell me something about your school, from where you have done your schooling.
My school is in Raipur, and it's CBSE school, and there is I am since first class from there, and my own class is done from there, and moreover it is very good for me, and also nearby house.
Okay, what do you like the most about your school?
I like it most because it's near around the forest, and whenever in summer season there is not hot in it or hot. There is not like a hot season or hot time, and also there are many beautiful things like many near around good parks, and also well maintained playgrounds.
Okay, and is there anything that you do not like about your school or you want to change in it?
Well, there is mostly all things are very good, but there are some things like a bus system is not very good. That buses are not very good, well maintained, and also there are some problems students to travel in their own vehicles.
Okay, how your school is different from the other schools of your area?
As I told you that my school is in between the forest, and there is very most important. It is situated in an environment surface area, and it is very important for a student, and also it's good environment to provide to all students.
Okay, is there any change you want to see in the education system of your country?
Repeat, sir.
Is there any change that you want to make or you want to see in the education system of your country?
I think there is mostly all well maintained, but there are some there good education system, but I think that there are some less job opportunities about after doing education. That government should to give more opportunities of jobs.
Okay, let's talk about your neighborhood. Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like very much in my neighborhood because they always stand with me and also help in any situation which I stand in.
Okay, how often do you meet your neighbors?
Whenever I come from outside, and whenever I go in parks, they are always they always have time to meet.
Okay, tell me something about your neighborhood.
In my near my house, there are many houses. Like houses, there like neighborhood is very good persons. There are near about 10 or 12 members in one house, and all are very good. And also there are some child which is very pretty and educated children, and have much manners.
Okay, why it is important to have good relationship with the neighbors?
I think that it is very important for a person because whenever we see that there are very difficult situation, all the neighborhoods are always stand with us, and moreover all the neighborhoods are very close to us, which is very important.
Okay, do you think your neighborhood is a good place for children to play?
Yes, I think that is very good because neighbors are very trustable persons because they always with me and since whenever we are in childhood, I think that I always playing in neighborhoods and because they are already in my level of children.
Okay, let's move towards part 2 of speaking, that is cue card. Your cue card is describe a creative person whose work you admire. Right? You have 1 minute to prepare for it and then you have to speak for another 2 minutes. Your time for preparation starts now. Okay, please start.
Yes, there are many people which I know who is very creative. Today I'm talk about today I'm talk about our previous. Today I'm talk about a previous day that my aunt is very creative person that I very admire for her and because of the previous weekends, there is one occasion on my house, but there are some, my mom is my mom is cooking a vegetable soup, and at that time, by mistake, my mom put a salt very much in it, but on that time, my aunt suggested to go put some vegetable more and other things also add in between it, and it make very tasty on that time, and I think that and also furthermore there also very much other things also made within it, and also made other things with it, and moreover there is many things more which is like in it in any situation my aunt is standing with my mother and also with me, and cooking is like a cooking like a not a rocket of science for her, and it is very nice in nature and also always help with me and my all family members, and whenever we are then I will decide whenever we are organize some party, then we always ask her to come my house and participate with us.
Okay. Okay, we will start our questions. Do you think people are creative in your country?
Yes, I think India is very India is very full of talented persons that all have different type of talents. So there are many creative things like they are very interesting. They make many interesting things like wooden craft things, and very tasty in foods also, and making some food which is very creativeness in my area.
Okay, which age group people are more creative and why?
I think that I think that in age between 19 to above the near about 25 it is very creative, because on that time all people have a sharp mind, and also very sharply, and also very creative things that they like to do, and that time they are also when time to doing different type things.
Okay. Do you agree that children are always more creative than others?
Yes, I fully agree with this, because children have a mind to do something, and whenever we see that children are more active than an older person, it is very very good for them, and also for children, they all work have like a piece of cake for them.
Okay. Do you think creativity is an inborn talent, or it is a skill which can be developed?
What's it?
Do you think creativity is an inborn talent, or it is a skill which can be developed?
In my opinion, I think that it is a talent in person. Whenever you say that a person have a talent from his childhood, and also it is very it have very craze to do something, particularly something that it is very good, that it is very do in good way.
Okay. All right.